Welcome to my video. In the video for lesson 9, I will pronunciation with TS sound and voice. The first, thank you so much. Think, Thursday, thick, thunder, anything, bath mat, athletic, mouth wash, bath, north, south, fourth, and second consonant, voice, the book, that, they, them, this, those, these, clothing, mother, another, weather, smooth, bathe, breathe. Okay, then I will make conversation between James and John. Hello, this is James. Is that John? Hi James, I'm John. John, tomorrow I have got a party. Oh, that's good. Oh yes, but I haven't got a new dress for party. Now, I will go shopping now. Would you like go shopping with me? That's a good idea. I also need something. Thank you. What is that? Oh, I want to buy a present for my mother's birthday. Okay, let's start at 6 p.m. Okay, see you soon. Bye. Bye. Okay, that's good. That is. Goodbye. Thanks for watching.